This is a quick preview of a Notion workspace that I built recently for a client. So this client creates videos for their own clients, and they had a very specific workflow and way of working. They have these things up here called buckets. Now these are their specific project areas that they wanted, and it's easy access just on the dashboard here. Down the left-hand side, they've got, again, quick access to bits that they need to get to. And the right-hand side, you've got something called global views. And this is the order that their projects and tasks can go in. So everything starts as an idea, then it becomes a project. Then you've got some maintenance to do on it if you need it to be approved or updated. Then you analyze how well did the project go or how well did the video do. And then you can see the future views, so anything that needs to happen in the future. So I won't go into all of these right now, but on the main dashboard area, you've got this bit. So under projects here, you don't have to go anywhere else. You don't have to go into any of these buckets. You can just come straight here. You can see all the projects across the board that need doing. Or you can see just John's projects, just Maria's, just Jane's, or any recent projects. And again, same thing here with tasks. You can see all the open tasks. You can see the high priority tasks in there just by changing the tab. And then you've got a few other views in here. Tasks this month, tasks that are up next, tasks in the backlog, and then any closed tasks that are in here. And finally, you have an archive page, and this page holds all of the databases. So one thing I like to do in Notion is make sure that the actual databases that all of these views are based on are hidden away in an archive page, and then only certain people can go in there and have access to it, because if you delete the database, everything is gone. So it's nice to have it tucked away in there. Let's have a look quickly at one of these dashboards. So we'll go into the meetings. Now, meetings is quite nice. It's just a simple calendar. You can see all of the meetings will appear in here. And on the right-hand side, you can see your recent meetings. And again, you can use templates for all of these. So we've just got a normal meeting template and a team sync template in here. And it just means that creating a meeting is going to be nice and quick and easy. And these meetings also show up on your projects. So if we go onto this one, you can link this meeting to a specific project. And then when you're inside that project, that meeting will show up. So that's a really nice workflow there. And another important thing about Notion is creating these navigation blocks. I'm in this meetings area. It's nice to be able to go back up to the client workspace and find yourself back on the main dashboard. So you're never going to get lost inside some sort of database. I hope that gives you a good overview of the kind of things we can build with Notion, and I look forward to working with you.